Good morning. Uriel is attempting to lift the bottle of syrup, the big heavy bottle of syrup, and put it back on the shelf. Go on. You can do it. No, you got to get it back on the shelf. Yeah.
I can't do it.
Yes, you can. You can do it. You have to do it for the camera.
It's too big.
You can. You took it down. You can put it back up. You're strong. There you go. Lift it up. Come on. Come on. Lift it up against your body. There you go. There you go. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Lift it a little higher. Okay, put it on the bottom shelf. Put it on the bottom shelf. You can put it on the bottom shelf. Okay. There you go. Come on. Okay. Take the stuff off the bottom shelf. No, Uriel. You see the other shelf with the blue spray?
The blue spray?
Look down.
Where's this blue spray?
Look. See that blue sprayer? Right. Take that off. And put the syrup down there. Give me the blue sprayer. Put the syrup there. Come on. Come on, put it there. Go on, try it one more time. Come on, try it again. There you go. There you go. Put it where the blue sprayer was. The lower one. No, not there. The other one. There you go. Yay! He did it. Go on, take a bow. Take a bow.
Huh?
Do this. Take a bow.